So let's proceed further. Account setup is your personal headache. I never ever talk about account setup. I always follow the rules, even not in person, not in public, because just try to understand. Because I have to. This is not something that I am teaching 58 students on, and I'm making $1 billion out of it. I'm making more money in trading compared to this. That's why I have kept myself fully available for trading throughout of the day. Okay, let's proceed. So today we are going to talk about, as we have committed, that we haven't learned zone marking. Couple of students here who is from Dubai and who is from USA, he don't understand Hindi, even although they have the access of Indian master class, but they are unable to understand the zone marking. The purpose of zone marking is very clear. I will not take much time for that session. We will go for Q&A today. And the purpose of zone marking is clear, that we have to focus that how we can take more advantage of this session, how we can take more advantage out of it when we are talking about international market. International market means we have no boundaries. We can make more money, and how exactly we are going to take benefit out of it, that is very important. These are our deliverables. So we will talk about topic today. So the first topic, why and how to use global market chart. I think I have already explained. A stock, a script, global market, and forex. I have already talked about the major pair in forex market. I have already discussed about the cross pair and the exotic pair. Major pair, cross pair. Why I'm keep changing the time of this class? Because there is a certain reason behind this. If sometimes I'm taking class in the morning, for example, this is your tradingview.com. In tradingview.com, if you will talk about the trade high, right now I have to trade into a script like Euro AUD. Euro AUD is a script, or Euro CHF. This is a Euro CHF is a script. So if we are going to trade into such a script like Euro GBP, so this is a cross pair. This is a cross pair, right? And in the cross pair, even right now, the in FXCM the spread is 0.4, but FXCM is they have banned FXCM back in America due to they haven't followed the system. That's why they have banned FXCM. For example, if we are going to talk about GBP CHF, this is a well traded currency. And over there, even right now, the spread is 2.7. So forget about it, that you can go for small trading over here. The script, we have already focused on this, that how to, the tools for international stock and forex pair selection. That is, sometimes we have to talk about FinBiz, sometimes we have to talk about myfxbook.com, and if something more is needed, I will come with. So mechanism behind international forex liquidity. Liquidity means when you can get more trades. For example, right now, if we are going to talk about any trade right now, this is the chart. This is the chart. Finbiz.com. This is the chart Finbiz.com, and this is the chart myfxbook.com. So Finbiz.com versus myfxbook.com. So over here in myfxbook.com, every time to get best trade, just click over here. You will get the best timing over here. To get best right now I'm in India, so my time is Indian timing. So even the Indian market is closed right now. Your Australian market is open, your Japanese market is open, your US is closed, your Europe is closed. So right now According to Finviz, if you move on Finviz Forex, so you will see that your euro has zero movement volume, because if you even if you spend more time over here, you will get less trade. JPY, USD has zero movement volume because a market is completely closed, but AUD, either it's moving up, either it's moving down. NJD, either it's moving up, it's moving down. So market should be open to get more trade. For example, this is the chart. We will try a couple of pair right now. This is my watch list for the forex. This is your chart for Euro AUD. It doesn't matter what kind of trader you are. For me, I don't care that I am trading with. This is a trade formed early in the morning. Is Euro US dollar, rally, boring, drop. If this trade is clear, you can jump into, and you can. Sorry, this is a demand zone. So you can jump into, and you can mark the supply zone. So this is 1, 2, because leg out is more explosive. So even it was a non-liquid hour, and it didn't work. And even this is the chart for the day. You will see that there is a problem, and there is no liquidity at all. Even this is a 1 minute chart. In forex, we consider 1 minute chart has too much volume. So in forex, we always consider that this is a 1 minute chart. एक छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम था, because मैं भी इंडियन, most of the people who is taking class, they are Indian. कीरा था that forex is the best. Where you are planning to trade your forex trade? With CFD broker or with future broker? Now after too many implementation, I think you all have practiced, and after your practice session, you have realized that future is the best. Am I wrong or am I right? Future is the best. But today we are going to talk more about future and more about zone marking. So because in future, for example, I am going to talk about couple of brokers. This is I don't promote any broker. So this is your trading platform. Let me come out of it. By the way, let me come out of it. This is a trading platform. And in this trading platform, see all broker. So this couple of broker, I won't disclose where I am trading right now. But for example, there is a broker like Trader Station, Tradeovate, multiple broker जिसका नाम मैंने सुना है. I am going to discuss about this broker and where I can trust upon. Saxo is a couple of people do, but they are not happy. Plus 500 is also good for future. This couple of brokers. For example, you are going to open account. With Trader. For example, Trader. I'm just going to explain. This is Trader. This is your Tradeovate. This is your Ninja broker. I'm just going to show you the difference. What's the major difference? So this is these are a couple of broker. If you will talk about, I don't promote any broker. So this is your trader brokerage, and this is your trader weight. So this is your platforms, this is your pricing, this is your platform, this is your pricing, where the pricing of this one, individual platforms pricing. Okay, so just compare. If you pay $10 in a month, if you pay $10 in a month, I'm just going through multiple broking platform right now. So for future micro, you pay 0.35 cents, future standard 0.75 cents, and this is the brokerage you are paying if you pay $10 in a month. So this is something is not very expensive, that per lot you have to pay that much money. This is another broker, move on pricing, and again this is your macro contract is 0.29, 0.99 is a standard. So this is the free one, this is the okay, don't go with this one. This one is commission per side is come to 1.29 is the standard without paying anything. And if you pay for lifetime, so again move on Ninja. So you will get such kind of broker, because I think they have merged their platform. So just understand the difference, how much difference we are paying. For example, if this is a chart of Euro USD right now, Euro USD means according to CME chart, for example, if we move on CME group, so right now according to CME group, for example, this is our European Euro FX future. So 6E, so 6EU, so 6EU means 6EU. This is 6EU. So 6EU is your September 2026. So this is a 6EU chart, because right now this is a non-trading hour of futures. So you will get very less volume. This is a 6EU chart of futures. If you are going to jump into this future script, you will pay only few cents as a brokerage. But if you are going to just talk about, this is your technical chart of, for example, I will take example of 5 minutes. And why I conduct class sometime in the day, sometime in the evening, because I have to make you understand. Okay, this is your chart of 5 minutes of Euro USD, 6EU, and this is your Euro USD. Then 6EU and Euro USD. So this is your chart of. So there is no any technical difference between these two platforms. Even if this price, if this price is coming down, so this price is also coming down. Even this on this chart, candle has been formed into red color. So this chart candle has been formed into red color. In this chart, candle has been formed into green color. Candle has been formed into green color. In this chart, candle has formed into green color. Candle has been formed into green color. So there is no any technical difference whenever you are going to talk about chart. Are you able to understand? Yes or no? There is no technical difference. So what are the major difference? If you are going to trade over here, you are going to pay very limited brokerage. Means your brokerage, according to this platform, your brokerage is predefined, that how much brokerage you are going to take, how much brokerage you are going to pay. Sorry. So this is your free. But if you are going to talk about this platform of CFD, so where you are going to talk about CFD product, on the CFD product, for example, let's move on paper trade. And on paper trade, let's talk about this chart. So make this quantity is so this is our future quantity. This is too big. So this is your future quantity. So this is control B. Okay, rejected. No enough funds. Okay, make it 1000 because it needs the market 1000. Okay, rejected. Okay, make it 10 a standard lot. Control B. Okay, so this is a future trade. On this future trade, we have taken 10 a standard lot. How much? 10 a standard lot we have taken over here. Quantity is 10. So you can see, even you can see right now, the price is, if after touching this area, if price has bent down, so we are into a loss of minus 62.50. So this is your after market trade. And let's move over here and let's talk about any brokerage. Euro USD. Let's talk about Wanda. This is your CME and this is your Wanda. Okay. So this is your Wanda, and let's talk about any broker. Euro USD, like sorry. Euro USD, FXCM is very famous. Euro USD, you can take in Wanda, no worries at all. So just if you remove, because in this one there is 10 a standard lot and here is 1 a standard lot. Over here we have taken 10 a standard lot, over here we have taken 1 a standard lot, and control B. So you can see the major difference over here and here, because even this market is closed and this market is open right now. So over here we have taken the 10 a standard lot. In this CFD chart we have taken 1 a standard lot. So that kind of difference you will always face while you are into trading, while you are into making money. So we will talk about this after some time. So here is 1 lot, here is 10 lot, and in spite of this you will see a lot of difference. So that's why I recommended everyone that go with your futures, not with your CFD trade. Okay, so the mechanism behind forex liquidity is this is your chart, and this is your chart right now. And when we are talking about this chart, is your right now your Euro USD. You will not see even the market is moving because USD market is closed, Euro market is closed. So you will see movement will be very less right now, and due to this you won't be able to find out very good trade out of it. See, we took the trade, even market is not moving. It means we have to struggle a lot when everyone is sleeping. So we have to struggle a lot during this time, and we have to be careful about such chart and such mechanism that okay. So this is the biggest problem. When we will talk about future market of this one. So on future market, if you are going to trade, so you can trade whatever you want, because a lot of people use one sentence, no, agricultural stock, agri doesn't have much liquidity or volatility. You can trade crude oil because right now, but it's very it's into very choppy area. You won't get any crude oil Brent in very choppy area. Even in JPY, it's NJD, everything is into silent mode. Only silver is minus 2.85%. and Nikkei is minus 1.84%, and there is gold of minus 0.69%, natural gas minus 0.52%, and S&P 500 is flat. So these are all the flat area. You won't get trade when the market is flat, and definitely if you will get some trade, you won't be able to get target during this time. You won't be able to get target during this time. Okay, do you get my point? If yes, you will type yes. If no, you may type no. There is one more thing, is forex heat map. So forex heat map won't be help you to understand that what's happening right now. You won't be able to understand, and you won't be able to take benefit out of it right now. If you talk about correlation, so correlation won't be help you. Even the market is not into liquid area, so correlation won't be help you to get multiple trade right now. This class is a boring class. Don't think that this is going to become an interesting class. So this is the mechanism behind liquidity, that market should be open, and I don't care it's what the timing right now. Even I don't care. So only the mechanism is very simple, that market should be open. If the market is open, we can trade. Okay. This is a trade, and this is your 10 standard lot, and this is your 1 standard lot. This is your 10 standard lot. In the 10 standard lot, price came down, so minus 187. Even we took entry from here. And even in 1 standard lot, it's minus 26. So always in CFD, you will bleed more money compared to your future. So first practice it, then you can jump into, because this is a chapter which one nobody told us, and even if you don't have practical experience about it, you won't be able to understand what exactly I'm trying to tell you. Okay? थोड़ा सा मुस्कुरा दो, सुबह सुबह इतने उदास ठीक नहीं लगते हैं. ओके? वेरी बोरिंग चैप्टर. ओह माय गॉड, कहाँ फंस गया. हाँ हरजिंदर, गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग इसलिए कि मैं तुम लोग के लिए गुड इवनिंग है ना, तो मैं वो देखूंगा जो मुझे दिखता है. आई एम बैक इन माई होम, सो दिस इज गुड मॉर्निंग फॉर मी. मैं क्यों देखूं जो तुम्हें दिखता है? मैं वो देखूंगा जो मुझे दिखता है. ओके, सो दिस इज द बेसिक कंपैरिजन वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट. बेसिक कंपैरिजन. Let me take couple of more example. If we are jumping into forex trade, okay, one more thing. GL2 you don't worry, you will get one more session of GL3, so you don't worry. अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आया तो आपका 2 महीने और चलेगा, ठीक है. I am always there for you. ये आपको नहीं पता था क्योंकि आपको झूठ बोल के बुलाया, तो मुझे पता है this is a more difficult chapter. That's why ये हम आने के बाद ही बताते हैं. ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस्ड विथ यू, सो यू विल गेट. यू नो व्हाई आई हैव गिवन यू इंडियन मार्केट एक्सेस. फॉरगेट अबाउट अ स्क्रिप्ट नेम, फॉरगेट अबाउट टाइम फ्रेम, फॉरगेट अबाउट, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ डू आई mark that zone. Just understand the zone marking, the mechanism. So zone marking and basic mechanism will remain same. Today we will focus on more on. So there is one more chapter which is important, the exchange specification. We don't, there is a multiple exchange, Cboard, CME, NYMEX, forget about it and everything. Now after learning a lot of things, we are more focused on Chicago Mercantile Exchange. We don't have to understand multiple trades or multiple exchange, that what is happening in London, what is happening in Europe, and what is happening in Japan. We don't care at all. So this is your okay. One more thing, we will focus today on contract specification, that how contract works into a stock market. You know, to understand the contract, earlier we were using one chart. And that chart is, and that chart we used to use is MNQM. So when we used to use MNQM, So MNQM is no more. Forget about. So just type MNQ. So MNQ. So this is your chart, and now you will see. You don't need to learn too much scientific knowledge for this. MNQ is your Nasdaq, micro Nasdaq. US stands for September. Z stands for December. H stands for March. M stands for June. U stands for again September. So this is your. So right now, if you are going to trade, so you will not type MNQM. No, you will type MNQU. So this is your Nasdaq future, and by default will come Nasdaq. So if we talk about GC, gold future, click on this arrow sign. Don't get confused. So GCM means this is still your June. GCN is your July. GCQ is your August. GCU is your September. GCV is your October, and GCX is your November. GCG is your December. GCF is your January, and this GC. So there is one question, why you don't talk about ABCDEFG? Why they have put the number? That's a different mechanism. Don't jump into, because you will get confused. So which contract we should use? For example, after M we should use N? No, don't use your mind. Move over here and just click on CME group and just focus on gold. This is your metals. Click on gold future. So they are using right now GCQ6. GCQ6. So this is your GCQ. GCQ means gold future August. They are not using July contract, because for GCQ, because when you will go on volume and open interest, so in volume and open interest, volume has been shifted from June to August. So this is your Globex, this is your volume, this is your changes in open interest, and this is the open interest. So earlier there was volume on June, and there is no volume on July, so they have shifted on August. So the August contract name will be GCQ6. So that's why professional will trade into GCQ6. So GCQ, just click on GCQ. So this is the gold current chart. Even gold current chart. For example, this is the 1 minute chart of gold. Gold is moving right now. This is the 15-second chart of gold. Gold is moving right now, 30 seconds, 45 seconds. We will try to find out couple of trades. During this hour, for example, this is a 1 minute chart of gold. During this hour, since when the market is closed, since this time the market is closed, and right now you won't be able to find out very good zone. Compared to this, if you will come between this to this hour is known as a Globex trap. This hour is known as a Globex trap. So you will, if you try to find out zone during this time frame, you will be able to get more quality zone. And let's find out. For example, this is a 5 minute chart. 5 minute chart of gold. Gold, even if you trade gold and Nasdaq, you don't need to find out anything else. So this is a chart of gold 15 seconds. Will I get chart on 15 seconds? Let's find out. And will it work? Let's find out. This is a chart of gold 30 seconds. I was starting from 30 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. There was a boom, 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 boom. Okay. So there was a one zone with, because normally I don't follow candle behind lagging when I'm trading a smaller time frame. So there was one zone with two boring candle. Even didn't work, forgot about it. Book a small loss. So there was one more trade on 30 seconds chart over here. One more trade on 30 seconds chart. Lagging is bigger than boring. Okay, go ahead. So this will be your. So this is your another trade. So same like this on 1 minute chart. Let's follow on 1 minute chart. Let's follow on. There is rally, boring rally, but leg out in this one. Leg out is much. Leg out is more strong. So this will be our one more trade, and so you will get more trade than this MNQ. This is MNQ. Nasdaq, and during on Nasdaq, as I opened this, the first trade I got rally boring drop, but right now you won't get good trades. The first trade I got on rally boring drop, click over here, move on the supply zone, the sign is red. So this is the rally boring drop. Let me find out couple more trades in Nasdaq. In Nasdaq from here to here. This is 1 minute chart. So on 1 minute chart, there was only one trade. So this one worked. Rally boring drop, and this one worked. So we will move on 3 minutes. Let's move on 3 minutes. If you are going to trade into these scripts, you will have to train your brain. It's too fast. If you think, oh, I am very slow, don't trade. 45 seconds. Just from here to here, starting from here to, there was a trade, drop, boring, rally. So this is your another demand zone. Let me find out more demand or supply. Drop, 1 to boring drop. So this could be your another supply. Sorry, forget about color for now. And this is your another demand. So during live market, my brain worked faster than I think. So right now my brain, because when this market is acting too fast, that time we can find out too many trades. Right now we have to focus more to find out good trades. So this is your 15 seconds chart of Nasdaq. 15 second chart. Out. So there was one trade, it got a stop loss over here. Rally boring rally, it got a stop out. And okay, there was one more trade, drop boring rally. There was one more trade, sorry, drop boring rally. There was one more trade, drop boring rally, and which one worked? This one worked, the first one. Drop boring rally. Even there were 3 trades. 1 to stop out. Even one trade worked. You could book more than 1:5, 1:10. Even this is 15 second chart. So even out of this 3 trade, this one still looks much better. So 1, 2 and 3 only on 15 second chart. In this trade you don't have to worry about that how much spread we are paying to the broker, how much spread we are broker. Do you get my point? Yes or no? If yes, type yes. Then I will move forward. So in the contract specification, okay, one more question. Let me answer the question. Are you still removing access? Trust me, even I don't talk to my support team. These are the job. If you request them, please, they will do anything. We are not a training institute. In a training institute, have you seen how fast I mark a zone? I am not a teacher who have learned how to teach. I am a live trader. If a market will allow me, I will trade. If market will not allow me, I will just sleep. Even in Dubai, when we were conducting the session in Dubai, 2-day market was in our favor. The third day, aspects about we put a lot of effort. Even S&P gave me very good target, but more the people were unable to find out good trades. Good trade means only 1:3. That was I was not expecting 1:3 into the live market. 1:5, 1:10 minimum. So I told okay, I stopped trading for the day. So I'm a trader. I'm not a broker who talks about brokerage. I only talk about mechanism behind the trade. थोड़ा सा मुस्कुराइए, पकड़ के नहीं लाया गया है. So even if there is three trade number one, trade okay, these are 15 seconds chart. 1, 2, and 3. Can you okay? In this trade, normally in a smaller time frame, I don't care for what candle behind legging. So I will take this trade. I will not take this trade. I will not take this trade. You know why? Because your leg in was bigger than your leg out. So I will not take this trade. But definitely, I will take this trade and I will take this trade. I will go for it. But right now, if you try to find out, the chart is there, volume is there, but right now, you won't be able to find out more trades in live market. Why? Because, okay, trend is down. So we have to look for only for supply zone. If the trend is down, in last class I have taught you, if the trend is completely down, so we can't look for demand zone. For me, I don't care. Market is into uptrending mode or market is into downtrending mode. Because we don't have to take into overnight risk, na? So this is your downtrending mode. So in downtrending mode, we have to look for supply zone. Where is the supply zone? On 15 seconds chart. Because if you will see, the current market volume is very less and good zone is not being formed. But this was the trade. Rally, boring drop. I will take this trade. I will go for this trade. This was the supply zone. This was the supply zone. Rally, boring, and drop. I will go with this. Let me check more if I can find out. Because market is in downtrending mode, I will not go for demand zone. I will only go for supply zone in aggressive trading mode or in a scalping. So this is your boom. Our job is done for the day. Let's move on 15 seconds. 15 seconds. And on 15 seconds, nothing. Let's move on 10 seconds. 10 seconds, yeah, we have. But there is only one problem, your legging problem. So this is one more supply zone on 10 second chart. Let me move on 5 second chart. 5 second chart. 5 seconds chart. No. Let me move on 1 second chart. Will it work? Yes. I will go for it. But right now market chart is not complete. If chart is complete, then I will go for it. I don't care. If it's 1 second or it's 15 seconds, because the more you will trade, the more you will make. So this is really boring drop, market work. Again now, our next trade we are going to plan from this specific area. This one. So we are going to take trade from here. And this is just one script. Okay. Now, Farida, I have already taught you this thing. I'm just doing practice of the last session. I have already taught you all the things in last class. I'm just doing practice of the last class. The demand and supply zone. I'm not teaching you something new which is quite new for you. We are recording because in this kind of trade I can't go too slow. Okay. So over here, it's clear that we don't have to follow anything apart from CME. Even if you are talking about any broker, any CFD broker or any future broker, we are going only with CME. Did you understand the contract? Yes or no? If no, type no. If yes, type yes. Did you understand the contract and did you understand the volume that which stock we have to trade? How to understand the volume means which one is a tradable contract and which one is not. Thank you. So even the same will remain for forex. Let me take one more example for forex. This is your CFD chart. Again, for everything we will refer CFD only. Everything. For example, if you have to trade into Australian dollars, so 6AU. This is 6AU. So why 6AU? U stands for September. So when you will move on volume and specs, so you will see 6AU. You will see that all the volume is shifting to September. So there is no volume in July, no volume in August. That's why most of the professional trader is shifting 6AU. 6 stands for the year. So 6. If it is M6AU, that is a macro contract. So macro, mini, nano. So 6AU. So this is your 6AU6. Okay. So in one more class, not able to see the chat. No. I was talking about this one. Are you able to see my screen? This screen, CME, Australian dollar, G10, G20 होता है, G10 कहाँ से आ गया? It was visible. So we were talking about why it is written over here 6AU. Why not 6AM? 6AU means professional is trading in September contract. Okay. So now, let's proceed for one more. For example, this is your chart. Let me share my screen with you. Just give me only one more minute. Let me share my screen with you. This is our chart. AUD. And as you will talk AUD USD, so this chart is same as this chart. For example, this is 1 minute chart of AUD USD on any broker. I don't care about any specific broker platform. So this is a chart of AUD USD and this is a chart of 6AU. Sorry, this is a chart of 6AU, Australian dollar. So technically, this is 1 minute chart and this is also 1 minute chart. So technically, you will not see any difference into the chart. But there is one difference. This is the future chart, and this one where my cursor is right now. This one is your forex CFD chart. So let's move on 5 minute. On 5 minute there is a zone. On 5 minute chart there is a supply zone. Let me mark the supply zone. This is a supply zone. Drop, boring, drop. So if the same supply zone is being formed on CME chart, if not, we will not trade. If yes, we will trade. So on CFD chart, on 5 minute chart time frame, there is a supply zone. So the same supply zone, if the same supply zone is not being formed on the CME chart, means that trade is not good. If it is, then we can consider that yes, this is a good trade. So either it is CME future or either it is CFD, the chart will remain same. Both chart will remain same. Only the difference is your broker. So one more solution I am going to give you. How many of you are exactly looking for broking solution? From anywhere in the world, you can not from India, from anywhere in the world, just go and Google that can you trade into US future. If yes, get in touch with your search on Google, find out some broker, do a workout, and for example, you have worked very hard to get your account in Dabba trading or CFD is a scam. If I am using this sentence every time on public platform, means it is CFD is a scam. So it's a scam. You won't be able to make huge money in CFD. If CFD is very good product, so why the Wall Street professional is not using CFD? Why they are using? Okay, I'm with you. This is your chart of MGC. What is this? Gold. Is this gold? Yes or no? MGC, Municipal Corporation of Gurugram. अरे MCG हो जाता ये होता ना नालायक. Municipal Corporation of Gurgaon. Yes? अरे टाइप करो. This is your macro gold future COMEX. What the price right now? 4152. So the price is same. The exchange price is same. 415. Okay, it will refresh in 1 minute. So this is the exchange price. Macro gold future. And if you are going to trade XAU USD, which one you love? So this all product is commodity CFD. These are not future product. So what's the major difference? If you talk about any broker, even Pepperstone is a scammer. So 4148 and 4130, how you are going to match the price? Just because chart is same, you will see drop 1 to boring drop 1 to boring drop, and even last candle is same, but see the difference in price in Pepperstone and in macro gold future or gold future. How you will match the price? If जिस तरह से आप इंडियन मार्केट में आते हैं और मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा एनर्जी इस पे खर्च होता है कि डिमांड सप्लाई को फॉलो कीजिए, नो इंडिकेटर्स, नो सॉफ्टवेयर, नथिंग. यहाँ मेरा एनर्जी खर्च होता है इन इंटरनेशनल क्लास, a stop CFD, a stop funding account, a stop blah blah blah. वहाँ मेरा एनर्जी कहाँ खर्च हो रहा है? वहाँ मेरा एनर्जी खर्च हो रहा है आपको ये कन्विंस करने में कि डिमांड और सप्लाई सबसे ज़्यादा सर्वोपरि है. राइट? हाय भरत, हाउ आर यू? गुड मॉर्निंग. यहाँ मेरा एनर्जी खर्च हो रहा है आपको ये समझाने में विच इज राइट और विच इज रॉन्ग. Even during last class, I put 3 hours of effort to make you understand what's the technical difference. So if you are following the chart, just answer a small question that how you are going to trade with these two different chart. This is your COMEX, which is a parent chart, and this is your gold spot US dollar Pepperstone. How you are going to maintain the 4150 and 4132, and why there is a difference, and which is original. Please tapping is mandatory. In next class we are not going to talk about any theory. Be ready with your account. We will sit in live market and we will print money. So that's why I am telling you, if we are going to start live trading session, you are not able to, oh sir मेरा प्राइस ही $15 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, what can I do? दुबई वाले समय से उठ रहे हैं, गुड मॉर्निंग, भरत को देखो, मानसी को देखो, तो गया गुड मॉर्निंग, हमारे लिए गुड मॉर्निंग है, तो मैं बिल्कुल फ्रेश लग रहा हूँ. नो, इफ आई एम रॉन्ग यू कैन टेल मी दैट भाई आप गलत हैं. अगर दो आदमी हनुमान भाई और करण भाई हमसे सेशन के बाद संपर्क करेंगे, आप दोनों को आज दोनों पे FIR है, ठीक है, सेशन का दोनों संपर्क कीजिएगा, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. सो ओके, फॉरगेट अबाउट पेपर स्टोन. दिस द चार्ट ऑफ XAU USD any broker Wanda. So the Wanda price is 4135 and this one price is 4153. Gentlemen, this is the biggest challenge you will ever face while you are trading into future. So even if you are trading into this chart, go with future account. If from any country you can get it done. Normally future broker will not come up with a huge advertisement and huge boards that come and enjoy all the CFD product. Forget about. In US, you will not see the advertisement of CFD product. Okay, directly or indirectly, what we are doing? In which country we are trading? If we are trading into gold, we are trading into American market. If we are trading into silver, we are trading into American market. If we are trading into platinum, we are trading into American market. We are trading into Euro, USD, GBP, USD, AUD, USD, JPY, USD, JPY. We are trading into American market. Yes or no? So we have to follow the rules of American market ना. सुबह सुबह मुंह मत लटकाओ, थोड़ा मुस्कुराओ. We have to follow the rules of American market ना. If we are trading into American market and we are following the rules of Lesotho, Ghana, Nigeria, Namibia, Sudan, Somalia, Georgia, साइप्रस के नाम पे सब हंसेंगे. No need to work on volume when you are trading to a smaller time frame. No need to. Don't worry about it. Okay? So now don't leave the session. We will talk. We will go through a lot of Q&A session today. So raise your hand. Go with your genuine questions and in next class we will talk only about live trades. So I was preparing you for the live trade. Yes, Mr. Sharma ji, बताइए.
Good afternoon, sir. Hello.
Yeah, please.
हाँ जी सर, लास्ट क्लास में आपने एक डोम थ्योरी और SRE के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, वो क्या चीज है सर?
आपको बता दिया जाएगा. आपके क्लास में नहीं बताया ना अभी, आपको बता दिया जाएगा. दैट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ योर क्लास, डोंट वरी.
ठीक है सर. बाकी हमें भी अभी GL थर्ड में मौका मिलेगा या बंद कर देंगे GL1 को?
सर A to Z जानकारी सपोर्ट टीम इज ऑलवेज देयर फॉर यू. बंद हो जाएगा, ईमेल कर देना, दे विल रिप्लाई. डोंट वरी, टेंशन मत लीजिए.
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर.
When we trade into CME, so we have to go through two mechanisms. That is a mechanism. That is not a tools. That's a two mechanism. DOM and SR is a mechanism. We will in next live trade ना we will. और मैं किसी को छोड़ने वाला नहीं हूँ. एक रिक्वेस्ट है, ट्राई टू फॉलो इन जो हम इंडियन क्लास करते हैं. आपने उसके लिए पे नहीं किया, फिर भी उसको अटेंड कीजिए. दैट विल क्लियर योर बेसिक. आप नेक्स्ट और क्लास कर लेंगे, हम उसका पैसा आपसे नहीं ले रहे हैं. कि इफ यू आर अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, आप अगस्त सितंबर भी हमसे पढ़िए और GL3 में ही पढ़ाएंगे. लेकिन जब तक आपको मार्किंग क्लियर नहीं है, मार्किंग टेक्स एटलीस्ट 3 to 6 months. ओके, विष्णु नारायण सिंह बताइए. यस, विष्णु नारायण सिंह, गो अहेड.
सर गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग।
सर मेरा कुछ 2-3 सवाल है आपसे
गो अहेड।
कि सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सर क्या हम ये US 100 जो स्टॉक्स है हमारे सर वहां पर हम जब जोन मार्किंग करते हैं तो सर वहां पे वही सारे रूल्स हमको वहाँ फॉलो करने होंगे सर वहाँ पे जो वहाँ पे इंडियन मार्केट में करते थे?
Even if you go to the bigger market, the rule will be very less.
ओके
Even for example, if you are trading, if you are into a if you are working with, for example, if if you are going to trade in the ocean, or if you are trading going to trade in a river, so in a smaller market you have to put a lot of rules. Means पता नहीं किधर से कौन पानी गिरा दे बाहर आ जाएगा. In the bigger market, less rules. In the forex market, your major challenge is not your zone marking. In the CME market, normally I use this sentence as a CME market. For example, right now people want to trade. So this is one trade we focus on, that we are going to trade into wild product. So in wild product, this is a chart. This is your CME group chart, and in CME group chart, this is your equity, this is wild. So CLQ6 means whenever you are going to trade. So CLQ6 means people are trading into the August and September. So this is your chart. Click over here, CLQ. So CLQ is your crude oil futures. CLQ is your August. Can you see?
Right.
CLQ. It will move CLQ. So this is crude oil. So CLQ, CLU, CLV, CLX. So CLQ. So whenever you are going to trade into CLQ chart. For example, this is a 1 minute chart. Can we trade into 1 minute chart? The answer is yes. But this is the Globex trap. When the global market is closed, you won't be able to. When the global market is on, try to find out zone on that specific time frame. Let's start from 5 minutes and below. This is the 5 minute and below time frame. This is your 3 minute time frame. 3 minute time frame. 3 minute. No, this is your 1 minute time frame. Normally I haven't used 2 minute, so I don't use 1 minute time frame. Is there's only one trade drop originally, but I don't consider this one. 1 minute time frame. This is your 45 seconds time frame. Wait, 45 seconds time frame. 45 second time frame. Drop. 30 seconds time frame. So this is your drop. Okay, in 30 seconds time frame, we got one trade. How? As I have told you in last class, lagging should be bigger than boring, correct?
Yes.
And without should be bigger than lagging. Click over here. I have already marked supply zone. If you are so this is your supply zone, and let's see the result. In the same chart, let me find out more trades, because now the trend has been shifted into downtrend. So we can find out couple of demand and supply zone on any chart. That will it work? Yes, it will work. According to me, does it look like pivot? So we will try to find out that is there any zone. If there is any zone on 10 second, 15 second, 1 minute, because for me we have to practice. And if we'll wait for, so this is your rally boring 13 second, it will be much better. 30-second chart, it will be much better, much better. Okay, this is still a pivot. On the 15-second chart, not a good quality of supply. Make it 10 seconds. Wait. I know I moved chart too fast because this is smaller time frame. So I moved chart too fast. Okay. So there is supply zone. Even on 1 minute there was a pivot. So and there was look like so you have even during the day you will find 5 trades in crude oil. So you don't have to jump anything out of it. Whatever chart you are getting, whatever chart you are getting over here, you can only go with it. So the major problem is your broker. Try to find out a broker which gives you future trade wherever you are staying. If you are staying in only if you are Indian resident, you won't give it. They won't give you. Couple of people have a different question. Ravi bhai, tell me one thing. I am an Indian resident, so how I can make more money into this market? If you, my background है, this is my right now I am back in my home. मैं भी जब इस घर को छोड़ता हूँ ना तो मुझे इतना दुख होता है ना. इन इंडिया आई एम लिविंग लाइक अ किंग. मैं सिर्फ एक आवाज देता हूँ, 2 ड्राइवर इस तरफ खड़े हो जाते हैं, 4 बॉडीगार्ड नीचे खड़े हो जाते हैं, 3 गाड़ियां लग जाती है. और नहीं, दिस इज द ग्राउंड रियलिटी. यहाँ पे मेरे पास सब कुछ है. यहाँ पे मेरे पास मैं अपने नीचे के रूम में गए हुए मुझे कितने दिन हो गए, जबकि एक ही फ्लैट है. मैं सीधे नीचे ड्राइंग एरिया में बैठता हूँ, डाइनिंग में बैठता हूँ, बस उतना के लिए नीचे जाता हूँ. बच्चे नीचे नहीं जाते हैं. मेरी बिटिया सामने, उधर बिटिया रहते हैं, उधर बेटा, इधर मेरा बेडरूम है, इसके पीछे मेरा बेडरूम है, हम लोग नीचे. तो यहाँ पे द सेम अमाउंट आई एम स्पेंडिंग ओवर हियर विदाउट स्पेंडिंग एनीथिंग. आई डोंट नीड टू पे EMI. मैं एक राजाओं की तरह रहता हूँ. 24/7 जनरेटर, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, सिक्योरिटी, सब कुछ टॉप नॉच. Why I have been migrated? Because I have been migrated even in Dubai or in Dubai if I'll make $1 million, in India if I'll make $2 million, both are equal due to taxation part.
Excessive.
So if you are able to make 10 lakhs profit, there's a lot of way I can discuss with you, and the people who is living in Dubai, I discuss with them. So right now, if you are in Gulf, if you are in Singapore, if you are in African country, you are in heaven because you don't need to pay corporate tax. So okay, the reason why I am shifting, there is one reason I would like to tell you. In the company in Dubai, there is one thing that you don't need to pay a capital gain tax. But again, there is one more crux. The crux is your main income should be more than your capital gain should not be greater than your main income. I don't have any main income over there, no. So I have only capital gain income. So for that, I have to put my one's personal account. And even if you talk about any consultant in India, they won't be able to guide you because they know how to register a company. They just need their consultancy amount. They haven't gone through the real experience. So how they can explain? If you talk to someone that teach me about the chart, even the people who is trading from last couple of years, even in Indian market, they don't know about a screener. So how they will guide me? For example, in your starting class, we had discussed about MX and JPY. If anyone remember this one, MX and JPY. So this is the chart of MX and JPY. We discussed about MX and JPY that this is a chart where professionals can jump into and where professionals can make money. So in MX and JPY, when we started the class, we started class in January and February, and I had used one sentence कि जो खरीद सकते हो खरीद लो. अभी भी मेरे पास रिकॉर्डिंग है. Even this is the February and March. This is the February and March when we were talking about MX. Anyone remember? I was talking about MX and JPY. MX and JPY? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And plus this, you will get interest. A lot of people told me, Ravi bhai, tell me one thing. Do I need to put any stop loss? No. Do I need to put any bracket order? No. Just make a naked order and buy one. Now this after August you can't go for MX and JPY. From August to February you can't go with MX and JPY. Now the downtrending market will shift from MX and JPY. See, Fajr is telling that I am getting a spread as well. If you have one lot, you will make a lot of money. But I have guided everyone. I have given the mechanism behind it. That in a single trade you can make a lot of money in a single trade in a year. But how many of it are able to do it? Because the problem is why I am not associated with any broker. Only or only you pay at least $50 to $100 per day to your broker. If you are an aggressive trader, I don't. I pay $2 or $3 in a day because I have to pay 10 cents per lot, per standard lot, 20 cents per standard lot. So if you could just have it in GL1 from, so this could be the result. There is one more champion is coming in next few days, and I have. There is one more champion is coming in next few days. So even if you see the result of couple of weeks since when we discussed about it, this is the weekly chart, this is the daily chart. Even it's going down, we could have made money out of it. We could have made, because when I told you to jump into, because I knew that I am a fond lover of demand and supply, and I just noticed this one, nothing else. After this, when it was going up, I noticed this one, nothing else. That's I told you, make a naked position and go, move forward. The third one, this one, this break because it follows this demand zone. So I always follow, even if it is a naked order, you could print money.
Okay, sir.
So then I will not directly come with you to advise you that go with this trade and buy this stock today. But you have to understand my sign, what exactly I am indicating.
Yes, sir.
Because I have to follow global policy and global rules as well. Na?
Yes, sir.
मेरा चेहरा सुबह सुबह इतना क्यों चमक रहा है? I'm looking very smart and fresh.
Always.
Now today I wake up at 3:30 and I did 2.5 hour yoga. Yeah. Okay,
सर एक वन मोर लास्ट क्वेश्चन सर, जब भी हम सर ये चार्ट पर सर वन क्लिक सेटिंग जब हम ऑन करते रखते हैं तो सर हमारे ये क्रिएट लिमिट ऑर्डर सर एग्जीक्यूट दो तीन मैंने ट्राई किया था सर, तो वो वन क्लिक सेटिंग जो
disable it for right now.
ओके,
Disable this one click setting for now and disable it for right now. This one right now setting, disable it for right now. When you will become expert, that time you can do it.
yes sir.
Okay. One more thing. If you follow any forex chart, focus on ICE, Intercontinental Exchange. Forex is based on but don't buy ICE subscription. It's $150 on TradingView. Don't go for it. That is wastage of money. You don't have to. Okay, Viz?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Safan, question please.
वही क्वेश्चन है मेरा जो मॉर्निंग में मैंने आपको पूछा था, टाइम खाली जानना था वो उसका, मैं थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ा गया हूँ टाइम की वजह से.
Okay. Normally, you want to know the timing of Nasdaq, or you want to know the timing. Normally, market opens at 9:30 a.m. I'm talking whatever I'm talking. That's American timing. Okay. So 10:30 to 11, trend shift.
10:30
to 11, trade shift. 12 to 1. Everything is into, no, you can write down. Everything is into New York timing, Eastern timing. Whatever timing I'm talking about, that's Eastern timing. For trading, okay.
-4 New York time,
Okay,
right?
just think about me. Even on my screen, I always have timing. What's the timing in Sydney? What's the timing? I always keep world clock. Why? Because I have to understand when market is being open. So
आपका एक्सपीरियंस हो गया ना, तो आपको पता रहता है सब.
So after attending the GL class, do you think without understanding the timing you will be able to make money into forex?
Can't able to.
Quite impossible. जो लोग कहते हैं ना, any time you jump into a stock market you will make money into forex. They are liar. They don't know, because that time you will jump into market, you will jump into that trade, and that is known as a Globex trap.
10:30 to 11 बताया, और दूसरा कौन सा है?
Trend shifting again. 12 to 1 market will be into sideways mode. Why? Because as a trader, don't disturb me. 3:30 के बाद हमसे बात करना, मैं अभी ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ. बट प्रोफेशनल छुट्टी लेते हैं, वो लंच करते हैं, हम नहीं करते हैं. So they have lunch break from
10
and everything is in Eastern timing, EST. And EST, okay. So there is one more. There is a daylight timing, because in October timing will change. 1 घंटे का और डिफरेंस हो जाएगा अक्टूबर में. ग्लोबल
तो सब पता है.
हाँ, मतलब जिनको नहीं पता है उनको समझा देते हैं. हमें खुद पता होने में 4 साल का समय लग गया. कैसा कैसे हो जाता है कि लंदन में भी 4 घंटे का डिफरेंस था और फिर ये 5 डिफरेंस हो गया.
रहते तो हमारे को पता है ना सर, 2-3 साल से तो.
अभी मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा टाइम मिस हो गया. एक ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में एक गिनीज बुक का एक चल रहा था, 26 हाईएस्ट पॉजिटिव चेंज मेकर इन द वर्ल्ड. उसमें मेरा नॉमिनेशन गया था, लेकिन कोई हमसे आगे निकल गए, तो मेरा नॉमिनेशन पीछे हो गया. तो अगेन अगले साल ट्राई करेंगे, क्योंकि आप जो काम करते हैं ना, ग्लोबल एजेंसीज आप पे नजर रखती है.
दूसरा सर एक काम पूछना था कि इसके अंदर डायरेक्ट, जैसे कि आप बताते हो पेपर ट्रेडिंग के अंदर पोजीशन ऑन कर दी और फिर वो स्टॉप लॉस नीचे पकड़ के खींच लिया और टारगेट खींच लिया, वैसा मतलब वो ब्रोकर नहीं देता सीएमई में. तो मैंने थोड़ा सा सर्च किया तो वो ऐसा बताता है कि ये अलाउ नहीं करता सीएमई.
If you don't mind, may I know the name of your broker?
ट्रेडोवेट
देता है.
मैंने ट्राई किया था, नहीं आ रहा था, अंदर ऑप्शन ही नहीं आ रहा. जब अगर शिफ्ट भी डालते हैं तब वो
try to connect trader with your trading view, and शिफ्ट भी मत कीजिए आप. इस तरह से कीजिए, सब चलता है. क्योंकि हमने बहुत सारे ब्रोकर का प्लेटफॉर्म देखा है. ट्रेडोवेट हो, निंजा हो, ट्रेडियर हो, रॉबिनहुड हो, हम सबका देखे. Cancel your one click trading right now, and when you will click over here, just double click and make your risk 0.5% over here. So make your risk, this is your whatever amount is your. So try to put your trade something like this. Not through shortcuts. If it's not going through shortcut, right click create limit order. So try to put your trade something like this.
ऐसे ही डालना पड़ता है ऑर्डर. बाकी वो सिंगल उससे डालते हैं तब वो ऑप्शन नहीं आता, मतलब ऊपर.
आप ऐसे कीजिए. अगर नहीं होता तो
ऐसे करने जाते तो थोड़ा सा टाइम लग जाता है उस स्मॉल टाइम फ्रेम में.
प्रैक्टिस
ऑर्डर चला जाता है.
नो ऐसे तो ऑर्डर चला जाता है तो प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू ओके सफन, इन लास्ट क्लास आई गेव यू वन एग्जांपल that if you are going to drive a car on the road. You don't need to practice too much. You can hey darling, what's up, what are you doing, blah 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 blah. इंडिया में खैनी भी खा लेते हैं, ओके, प्यास लगा पानी का बोतल लेके पानी भी पी लेते हैं. बट whenever you are on F1 रेस ट्रैक और आपके हाथ में बिल्कुल आपकी फरारी या जो भी, मैं तो नहीं गया हूँ F1 रेस ट्रैक पे, मैं तो यहीं पे F1 रेस ट्रैक से ज़्यादा स्पीड फेस करता हूँ. तो आप फरारी लेके बैठे हुए हैं और आपको प्यास लगा, आप बोलेंगे पानी का बोतल दो, और आप रेस ट्रैक पे हैं. कैन यू डू इट? नो. कैन यू टॉक ओवर द फोन? नो. रेस ट्रैक पे आप फोन लेके जाएंगे, आपका दिमाग डेविएट हो जाएगा. जैसे कि अपना होता है बस्ता, अच्छा कहाँ है, निकालो, देखो कौन है. पुलिस के डर से फोन नहीं उठाएंगे लेकिन देख लेंगे. F1 रेस ट्रैक में you need a lot of focus and practice. Something like this. You can't move right or left. If you move right or left for a second, you are out of the game. Are you getting my point? What exactly I'm trying to? Everyone, please. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So you have to be focused because you are in the smaller time frame, the scalping, the time 1 minute, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, is your phone race track. You can't, okay, मैं अपना मोबाइल पे भी फोकस कर लिया, you can't do it. Focus.
और सर एक क्वेश्चन है, जॉन वेलरेट कराना था. 15 मिनट पे जोन है सर. NQU6 ऑन मार्केट में बना है तो ले सकते हैं सर.
15 minute time frame.
अप्लाई जोन.
This is a supply zone. There is no any question. This is a supply zone. This is a supply zone, but we can't trade right now, no? It will not come into that specific area.
अगर मार्केट कल खुलता है तो वो टाइम पे आता है तो ऑन मार्केट में ले सकते हैं ये.
हाँ, ऑन मार्केट का ट्रेड है तो ऑन मार्केट में ले सकते हैं ना.
ऑन मार्केट का ट्रेड ऑफ मार्केट में नहीं चलता है, ऐसा होता है.
मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रेड चलेगा तो आपको टारगेट में देगा.
ओके. और ऑफ मार्केट का ट्रेड ऑफ मार्केट में चलता है.
1 मिनट का मुझे ब्रेक दीजिएगा. So this should work during live market and it will give you the best target. Abbas. Hi sir. Abbas, how are you? Yeah, question please.
Sir,
You were there in Dubai, na?
no, sir.
Okay.
Sir, trend we are looking for below 5 minutes time frame, right, sir?
Even in the scalping, we will look for trend on 1 minute. Even if you are going to find out a zone in 1 minute time frame. Even if you are going to find out a zone in 15-second time frame, we will look for zone on 1 minute chart. Oh, sorry,
Okay.
trend.
Okay, sir. We use it for both equity futures and forex, right, sir? Trend.
Sorry, yeah, equity futures and forex both.
Last 21 candles.
Forex is a legal thing. My fight is not between forex and future. My fight is between future and CFD.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Monu, this trade is your Nasdaq 100 rally boarding drop So this is your trade. This one. Everyone, if you want to note down the trade, this is a very good trade, which one we discussed right now. So this is a good trade. If you want to note it down, you can go ahead. So there is one more trade, but this one I want to go for it. There is one more trade. No. So this is only one trade, and why? Because this trade is a follow up of this zone, this one. So the probability is very high that there is a really boring drop, this one, and this is a follow-up zone of this one. So you may go ahead. There is no any problem. Even this zone is a follow-up zone of this pivot. So this is a good zone. Go ahead. Yes.
Sir, CME, CBOT, all these are belongs to same exchange, sir.
Yes, Chicago Board of Trades and CME stands for Chicago Mercantile Exchange. NYS stands for the New York Stock Exchange. So even NYS is following the chart of CME and so and CBOT only.
Yes, sir. और Dow Jones जो ओपन होता है CBOT में,
Yeah.
NASDAQ करता है CME, सभी एक ही exchange
Yes.
Okay, sir.
If you will follow the Dow chart, you will get the CBOT, just follow CBOT and CME.
Yes, sir.
Even if you will talk about that, I'm taking a trade into crude oil, and crude oil is a part of NYSE. So NYSE is a part of Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Even if you don't know about exchange, how we can trade, how we can understand the timing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more thing, just give me only one more second. Okay, so this is your chart. 1 minute, just give me only one more second. Don't leave the session during M by M. So M by M is equal to your Dow Jones, and Dow Jones will come under CBOT. So this is the Dow Jones chart, and this is a 1 hour chart of Dow Jones, 125 minutes, 75 minutes, 45 minutes. Okay, so demand zone and supply zone is super powerful. So when the market will open, I should go up.
सर मेरा चार्ट 10 मिनट्स डिले आ रहा है सर, वो बोल रहा है कि सब्सक्रिप्शन ले मंथली 500 बोल के, क्या है लेना है?
Here it will be something, it will be written over your D, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you click on D, you have to pay because you have to pay few dollar to TradingView. But if you have any future broker, American broker, you don't need to pay.
Okay.
600 rupees, 5 to 600 rupees you will have to pay
Yes,
them.
sir.
I think 5.95 USD.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Alright, Brajesh Kumar Singh, question please.
नाम सर
हाँ, question please.
सर ट्रेडिंग व्यू में वो जो 10 सेकंड 15 सेकंड 20 सेकंड का वो चार्ट नहीं आ रहा है.
If you are making money, then pay 2,500 rupees to TradingView or either your broker will provide. हमें मेरा broker देता है.
तो सर ट्रेडिंग व्यू वाले से क्या बोलना पड़ेगा, मेल करना पड़ेगा उसको?
अगर आप बहुत सारे ब्रोकर ऐसे हैं जिनके साथ अगर आप 20 ट्रेड्स करते हैं तो आपको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट देते हैं. मेरे ब्रोकर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हमको प्रोवाइड किए चीज़ें. यहाँ पे आप जाएंगे ट्रेडिंग में, यहाँ पे आप क्लिक कीजिएगा और क्लिक करने के बाद कहाँ जाएगी मैं भी भूल गया. क्लिक कीजिएगा, यहाँ पे जाइएगा, सेटिंग एंड बिलिंग है ना, सब्सक्रिप्शन पे जाओगे तो आपको बता देंगे कौन. यू विल नॉट गेट द सेकंड चार्ट. हियर आई गेट द सेकंड चार्ट. खर्चा तब है जब आप पैसा कमा रहे हैं. पैसा कमा रहे हैं तो खर्च करने में कहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
ठीक है दोनों.
हाय रोहित, क्वेश्चन प्लीज.
सर ये पूछ रहा था कि अभी आप जो बताया कि यहाँ से कर
more thing.
सकते हैं, यहाँ से
In next class we are going to conduct this class US market 9:30 EST 9:30. So be prepared for that session. I will declare the date not this week, on Monday or Tuesday. So your account should be up and live, and we will do live trade same like Dubai. Yeah, Rohit, go ahead.
सर अभी आप बताए कि मतलब यूएस फ्यूचर को सिंगापुर से कर सकते हैं या फिर अलग जगह से कर सकते हैं, इंडिया से नहीं कर सकते। इसका मतलब कि आपका अकाउंट अलग जगह का होना चाहिए ना?
या आपका ब्रोकर, आपका अकाउंट वहाँ का होना चाहिए। ये मैं नहीं बोला, गवर्नमेंट से बात कीजिए इसके लिए। व्हाई गवर्नमेंट इज स्टॉपिंग यू नॉट टू गो फॉर even in Dubai?
Yes, sir. और
Even in Dubai,
मतलब
no, Rohit, even in Dubai, a lot of people claim that I am in loss, and I can guarantee that they use because their broker is making money. Broker is taking a cut, and it's a scam. दुबई में क्या स्कैमर नहीं है? दुबई में भी स्कैमर है, सिंगापुर में भी स्कैमर है। You have to find out which is right or which is wrong.
मुझे भी आया था कॉल दुबई से आपके रिगार्डिंग।
हमारे रिगार्डिंग
मुझे भी कॉल आया था दुबई से आपके रिगार्डिंग। पुणे का कोच ये सर बोल रहा था कि मतलब पता नहीं कैसे पता चल जाता है कि गेल में मैं एडमिशन लिया हूँ, तो वो बोल रहा था कि
पता है मुझे।
टेम्पो की
प्रणाम गुरुजी।
मनु बोलो मनु, क्या क्या छाप रहे हो?
गुरुजी एक आपने बताया कि अगस्त और फरवरी में उसका ट्रेंड डाउन हो जाता है एमएक्स
पहले तुम एक डेट लिखो। मैं 13 तारीख से लेके 27 तक सैंडियागो में ही हूँ।
13 से 27
जुलाई।
ओके,
अगर सब कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ तो
ओके ठीक है गुरुजी, मिलेंगे, बताइएगा।
13 से 27 जुलाई।
जी जी जी,
आई एम इन सैंडियागो ओनली।
ओके गुरुजी। जगह
पब्लिकली नहीं बताऊंगा आपको, आपका एड्रेस भेज दूंगा मैं।
ओके ओके गुरुजी। गुरुजी इसके बारे में कुछ बताते, जैसे एमएक्स जेपीवाई में आपने बोला कि अगस्त के बाद ट्रेंड शिफ्ट हो जाता है फरवरी तक, तो हमने उस समय लिया था और अच्छा प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, तो क्या सेल करके छोड़ दें क्या गिराने दो उसे?
अब जुलाई है ना सामने,
तो एक महीना रखने के बाद सेल करें।
सोचो 1:100 का मार्जिन लिए होगे
जी नहीं, 150
1:50 का ही मार्जिन लिए होगे।
जी जी,
जो अमाउंट लगाए, कितना अमाउंट आपका मार्जिन अमाउंट कितना ब्लॉक्ड है? चेक इट राइट नाउ, कितना मार्जिन अमाउंट ब्लॉक्ड है आपका? मोनू सैंडियागो में रहता है, तो अगर आप लोग को सैंडियागो के आसपास है तो आप ये कोई फुल टाइम ट्रेडिंग ही करता है सिर्फ।
गुरुजी वो इसमें दिखा रहा है वो 10 7 8 9 0 903,
वो आपका एक्सपोजर होगा। आपका मार्जिन ब्लॉक कितना है
तो पता नहीं चल रहा है गुरुजी, कहाँ पे देखना है उसको?
ये आपका है ना। फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी ट्रेड लेते हैं, मान लीजिए
मार्केट वैल्यू बताना है क्या?
ना मार्केट वैल्यू नहीं बताना मुझे। ये एक चार्ट है, देखिए ये ट्रेड है। इस ट्रेड में जब होगा ना, तो यहाँ पे आपका ये मार्केट वैल्यू होगा, ट्रेड वैल्यू होगा, यहाँ पे आएगा। इसे पेपर ट्रेडिंग में यहाँ पे दे दिखेगा, यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा कितना मार्जिन ब्लॉक्ड है, कितना मार्जिन। मुझे भी इसमें यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा कि कितना मार्जिन यहाँ पे कहीं भी दिखाता है। मुझे इन लोग से पूछना, इन लोग से बहुत करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे आपको
मेंटेनेंस मार्जिन, इनिशियल मार्जिन कौन सा?
यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा है मुझे भी। यहाँ मार्जिन जो है ना $1142.85 का लगा है। आपका यहाँ कितना दिख रहा है?
जो मार्केट वैल्यू बोल रहे हैं ना आप, तो
नहीं, ये वाला आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस वन।
अच्छा, मार्जिन ऑपरेशन, अच्छा वो नहीं जाना, आधा थोड़ा जाना है तो किधर है, पता नहीं किधर है।
भाग गया?
नहीं है इधर ही, मगर ढूंढने में नहीं आ रहा है।
ना ढूंढो, जैसे मैं दिखाता हूँ मनु, समझो। दिस इज अ चार्ट ऑफ MX and JPY and this is your one standard lot. I'm taking 1:100. So this is your chart MX and JPY. So for one standard lot, the one standard
ऐसे
lot,
में बता रहे गुरुजी, मैं 2000 था, $2000 से मैंने 19 पोजीशन लिया है स्टैंडर्ड।
ठीक है, 19 स्टैंडर्ड पोजीशन, ठीक है, ओके। हाँ, तो आपका मार्जिन $100 के करीब पर लॉट में है। तो ये कितना प्रॉफिट है आपका?
अभी प्रॉफिट उसका है $4000।
अगली बार आएंगे तुम मेरा होटल बुक करोगे, तुम हमको लिटली ले चलोगे?
नहीं वो तो करेंगे ही, क्यों नहीं करेंगे, आप बताइए तो।
नहीं, अगली बार तुम ही करोगे, तुम मजाक करो। 50% बुक कर लो।
और उसके बाद वो ट्रेन शिफ्ट होता है क्या?
मत मानो, अगस्त में पता चल जाएगा।
नहीं, मैं कंफर्म कर रहा है गुरुजी, और कोई बात नहीं है।
मोनू, अगर मेरी बातें गलत होती ना तो तुम मेरे साथ 1.5-2 सालों से नहीं होते।
नहीं, गलत का तो बात ही नहीं है गुरुजी।
अगर मेरी बात गलत होती ना तो मैं यूएस में आके ना मैं तुम्हें अपना एड्रेस नहीं देता।
जी। नहीं पूरा गुरुजी एक और क्वेश्चन है। ये आपने बताया था RTX और सी बोट और करेंसी और एग्रीकल्चर, ये मतलब क्या है?
एक CME होता है, शिकागो मर्केंटाइल एक्सचेंज।
जी वो तो पता है।
जिसमें नैस्डैक और जैसे कि इंडिया में NSE और BSE है।
जी।
BSE में सेंसेक्स है, NSE में निफ्टी है।
जी।
तो ऐसे ही एनर्जी के प्रोडक्ट के लिए सब कुछ CME के अंदर ही आता है। एनर्जी प्रोडक्ट नाइमेक्स पे ट्रेड होता है, NYMEX पे। सी बोर्ड पे ट्रेड होता है डाउ जोन्स।
जी।
CME पे ट्रेड होता है नैस्डैक और NSNP।
जी।
सो अगर आप ट्रेड करेंगे, अगर आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे, दिस इज आवर चार्ट MQ। दिस इज नैस्डैक के आगे देखिए आपको CME का फ्यूचर जा रहा है, दिख जा रहा है।
जी।
अगर आप यहाँ पे सर्च करेंगे MSCU, Q, MESU. So MESU is equal to your S&P 500 index future, correct?
Yeah.
And if you talk about M2K is your Russell. So Russell also come under CME. दिख रहा है आपको?
जी।
ये Chicago Mercantile Exchange. And if you talk about M by MU. So M by M is equal to your Dow Jones, and Dow Jones will come under your CBOT, Chicago Board of Trade. But if you will talk about MCL, so MCL will come under your NYMEX, New York Multi-Commodity. And if you talk about GC or MGC is your micro gold or gold, so it will come under COMEX. And if you talk about, so gold, silver, platinum will come under COMEX. crude oil, natural gas will come under NYMEX, and your Dow Jones will come under CBOT. So even someday CBOT is closed, means you won't get into Dow Jones. So it's all about exchange specification.
ठीक है गुरुजी। एक और है कंपोजिशन सिंबल्स वाला ट्रेड जो होता है वो कैसा होता है गुरुजी?
ट्रैप है, लिव इट।
ओके। और वो एक OER करके कुछ होता है क्या?
आपके काम का नहीं है, होता तो बहुत कुछ है।
अच्छा ठीक है। और एक गुरुजी,
हमसे
ये
क्लास
जो
में
छोटे टाइम फ्रेम का आप बता रहे हैं,
हमसे क्लास में लोग जिस पुणे वाले की बात कर रहे थे ना
जी
मैं पब्लिकली एक एक का नाम बता सकता हूँ, दे हैव प्रिंटेड मनी, लेकिन घर ले जाके रेडबुल भी नहीं पिलाते। कौन नहीं पिलाता रे? नाम बताओ उसका। तुमको रेडबुल पिलाएंगे, तुम रेडबुल बिना पिए 4 चक्कर गाड़ी का लगाए थे मेरे घर पे, सबको परेशान किया। बाद में तुम सुनते थे। ट्रेडिंग का जो मैकेनिज्म है ना, बड़ा सिंपल है। फ्रॉम ईयर ऑन ईयर यू विल हैव टू स्टे स्ट्रिक्ट ऑन वन पॉलिसी। ईयर ऑन ईयर you will have to stay strict on one policy. You can't change your policy every day. There's a lot of things will jump here, there, and everywhere every day. Every day, someone will tell you follow smart money concept, even I don't know what is it. Someone will tell you follow MACD, even I don't know what is it. Someone will tell you follow Bollinger Band, RSI, blah blah blah. From last year and year, if I am stuck on the same demand and supply chain mechanism, have you ever heard? I am talking about no bachcho. Today, even when the market condition was too bad into Indian market, I used to use only one sentence: demand and supply zone. Even yesterday, I conducted a Q&A. In that Q&A, I took question of 62 students. Out of 62, no one told me that I lose money. No one told me. Yesterday, anyone was there in that question answer session? I took 62 participant Q&A. And when the market was down, when this Iran-Israel things was happening, even during that day, I told everyone, you can do only one thing, you can shift your time frame on a smaller time frame. Don't go for overnight risk, but you can't change the strategy.
मैं तो हर क्लास में था ही गुरुजी, मैं तो सब सुन रहा है।
आप टेम्पोररी परेशान हो सकते हैं, स्ट्रेटजी चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं।
अगर स्ट्रेटजी है मतलब वही।
सुनो, अगर खाने में किसी ने मिर्ची डाल दिया और मुंह से तीखा लग रहा है, कैसे खाओगे? यू कांट चेंज इट। सॉरी, दिस इज अ ब्लैक एग्जांपल। तो लोग स्ट्रेटजी चेंज करते हैं। पता है एक चीज, एक मैं बात बता रहा हूं आपको। आई स्टार्टेड टीचिंग इन 2013। लोग जो गए थे दुबई वो फील कर रहे होंगे। सुमन थी, रघुनाथ था, सफन था, दे वर एबल टू फील इट। तीसरा दिन मार्केट में था, मैंने कहा क्लोज इट। मैं खींचता नहीं अपने आप को, मैं जो हूं यही हूं। मुझे कोई EMI नहीं देना है कि भैया मेरा झूमर का EMI बाकी है, मेरे कार का भी EMI नहीं है, झूमर का भी EMI नहीं है। और अगर आज मैं जीवन में ना कमाऊं तो मेरा इतना रेंटल इनकम है कि मेरे बच्चे जीवन में ऐसे खाएंगे।
गुरुजी एक और सवाल था।
नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, क्लियरिटी देता हूँ ना तुम्हें पुणे वाले का। सब जगह स्कैमर होते हैं। दुबई में स्कैमर नहीं है, इंडिया में स्कैमर नहीं है, अमेरिका में स्कैमर नहीं है, वो तो सब जगह मिले। यू हैव टू फोकस कि क्या करना है।
गुरुजी मैं कुछ पूछूं अब?
गो अहेड।
तो इसको जैसे MX JPY को फिर फरवरी में दोबारा लेना है?
अभी मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ, तुमको कहीं नहीं भगा रहा, ठीक है?
मतलब वो तो ठीक है।
एक डेमो दिखाया कि अगर $2,000 तुम्हारा पूरा अकाउंट का कैपिटल था, अगर $1,000 से ज्यादा नहीं लगा होगा, चेक करो आप। अगर $2,000 लगा के $4,000 तुम्हारे 2 महीने में, तो व्हाट द परसेंटेज? 200%।
जी चेक।
$4,000 का प्रॉफिट है।
देखना पड़ेगा गुरुजी।
हाँ, चेक कर लो, क्योंकि ये
समझ में आ रहा है, बाद में देखेगा उसको, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
अरे तुम्हारे अकाउंट में पैसा कितना था?
उसके लिए बस वही उसी लिए रखा था गुरुजी।
2000 था ना,
हाँ
4000 का प्रॉफिट हुआ ना,
जी।
तो 200% हुआ ना। अगर नहीं भी पूरा मार्जिन चलो 1:25 भी लिया, सिंपल मैकेनिज्म ना मनु।
जी जी, तो ये बताइए गुरुजी, फिर से एंट्री करना है फरवरी में कि नहीं?
वेट वेट वेट,
अच्छा ठीक
कुछ
है।
लोग हमसे बोलते हैं ना कि आप ये क्यों बोलते हैं कि चीजें मॉडिफाई हो जाती है। मैंने कहा होती है ना। आप आईफोन 3 अगर यूज किए और आईफोन 3 के बाद आईफोन 16 पे आ गए तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम अपग्रेड होगा ना। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने एक्सपी चलता था ना, एक्सपी और विंडोज 98, दैट वाज ए पार्ट ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट। राइट नाउ दे आर यूजिंग विंडोज 11 और विंडोज 12, पता नहीं क्या, मैं विंडोज यूज नहीं करता हूँ। सो द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम विल नॉट रिमेन सेम ना। संजीव भाई सही है गलत? अभी संजीव भाई का एक क्लास था, इनके क्लास में कम से कम 40 बच्चे मुझे उस वक्त रिक्वेस्ट किए कि आई वांट टू ज्वाइन योर क्लास इन IIM। मैंने किसी को अभी तक लिंक नहीं दिया, एक सिंगल को नहीं। मैंने कहा नो, आई कैन शो यू मल्टीपल चैट। मैं किसी को लिंक नहीं दिया। मैं वहां पे इसलिए नहीं जाता बिकॉज मैं पैशन है। मुझे उन्होंने समय दिया था 3 घंटे का। हम लोग कितने घंटे में खत्म किए संजीव भाई? यू कितने घंटे में खत्म किए?
सर करीब लग गए 6 घंटे लग गए थे, बल्कि वो भी कम थे, 6-7 घंटे लग गए थे, वो भी कम लगे अपने को।
और हमने कहा नो ब्रेक। वो तो करे सर
ब्रेक
गो टू सुसु। ओके भाई
वो भी मिस कर दिया। लंच भी मिस कर, वो छोटा सा हाई टी था वो भी मिस कर दिया हमने।
और उसके बाद थ्रू आउट सेशन चल रहा था। तो सर जी
करेक्ट।
ये लोग IIM के प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, लोग लाखों लाख रुपए दिया IIM में पढ़ने के लिए, और लोग कहते हैं कोर्स जो है कुछ नहीं है, यहीं पर हो। रीजन इज आपको लगता है मैं अगर $499 लिया तो हमारा बहुत सारा खर्चा है मनु। आई डोंट मेक ए लॉट ऑफ मनी। जो मेरा खर्चा तुम देखे हो कि ट्रेवल इज फर्स्ट क्लास ब्ला 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 ब्ला। आई
मैंने देखा है।
आई डोंट मैनेज दिस थिंग्स बाय 40 बच्चे को 50 बच्चे को पढ़ा भी दिया मैं 3 महीने में, तो कितना मैं कमा लिया। लोग देखे मुझे
तो कुछ नहीं बनता है जिस तरह के एक्सपेंसेस हैं।
सही आप देखिए उस दिन 2 दिन का लाइव एक्सप्लेयर में एक N5 में कैसे पैसा प्रिंट होता है।
बहुत सर बहुत देखा था। फर्स्ट डे देखा था, उसके बाद लास्ट डे भी देखा था हमने, मतलब
लास्ट डे भी 1:10 दिया। नहीं लास्ट डे भी 1:10 ट्रेड दे रहा था। मैंने कहा भैया 1:50 में निकल रहा था। मैंने कहा छोड़ दो।
करेक्ट, छोड़ देते हैं।
आज SpaceX आने वाला है, आज दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा IPO आने वाला है, छोड़ दो।
हाँ करेक्ट, SpaceX आने वाला था उस दिन।
तो द रीजन इज
सेम डे तक वो मतलब 1 मिनट के बिलो तक सही रहता है।
इफ ट्रेंड इज इन माय फेवर आई विल ट्रेड इट।
ओके ठीक है गुरुजी।
इवन इट इज ऑन 1 सेकंड चार्ट। 1 मिनट आप बहुत बड़ा बोल दिए। 1 सेकंड के चार्ट पे आपने ट्रेडिंग मुझे करते नहीं देखा है। आप लोगों ने देखा मुझे संजीव आप थे 1 सेकंड चार्ट
देखा था
1 सेकंड चार्ट सफल चार्ट। अच्छा लाइव में तो मैं झूठ नहीं बोल सकता हूँ कि मैं पीछे कुछ नोट्स रख रखा हूँ। यू नो व्हाई आई कंडक्ट दिस सेशन लाइव। लोग रिकॉर्डेड कोर्स चलाते हैं, पोर्टल बना दिया, आपको आईडी दे दिया, पासवर्ड दे दिया। सर आपको मेरा एक्सपीरियंस लेना है।
जी जी
आप मेरा एक्सपीरियंस याद है मोनू, हम लोग मैरियट में एक छोटा सा क्लास किए थे, आप तो जसविंदर जी थे, हम थे।
जी जी थे।
तो आप हमसे मिलने आए थे। क्लास क्यों चल रहा था? आई लव टू टीच।
जी गुरुजी।
चलो
गुरुजी एक और है, एक सवाल बस।
अरे और को मौका दो। हाँ हाँ
एक बस एक लास्ट। गुरुजी DMA जो 50 या DMA 200 जो है,
that's not applicable in US market.
यहाँ के लिए क्या है गुरुजी?
You don't need.
कुछ सोच रहे हैं इन्वेस्टिंग के लिए थोड़ा बहुत।
अगर एक चीज बताओ, during this time, if you could have invested any money into any index or any stocks, or if you invested couple of money into MX and JPY, आपको ज्यादा प्रॉफिट कौन दिया?
सर दोनों ने दिया। मैंने एक में किया था यूनाइटेड हेल्थ केयर में, उसमें भी मेरे को 15,000 प्रॉफिट हुआ।
अरे इसको किडनैप करो रे।
तो उसको भी मैंने 290 पे लिया था। अभी कुछ दिन पहले मैं इसको 410 पे बेचा उसको। आप कुछ बताते तो मैं उस वैसा कुछ
ये ज्यादा ऑथेंटिक है। मैं इस क्लास के अलावा आपको एक इन्वेस्टमेंट, ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टमेंट का क्लास ले लूंगा।
ठीक है गुरुजी, याद रखिए गुरुजी, बहुत जरूरत है।
मैं भूलता नहीं हूँ।
ओके, प्रणाम गुरुजी।
इस बार मोनू सबका टिकट कराएगा यूएस का और सबको यूएस बुलाएगा, सैंडियागो घुमाएगा। हाय श्रेया, कैसा बच्चा? गुड।
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Why you are coming to Dubai this time?
Sir, just I want to come.
जरूरत नहीं है, चलो ओके।
ठीक है सर। USD JPY में कल एक जोन बना था 15 मिनट पे 161.308।
10 minutes.
Yes, sir. 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
Are you talking about
Yes, sir.
this one?
Yes, sir. यही वाला। Yes, sir.
Okay. It has given a stop loss.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सर
Except
बट सर कैसे इतना अचानक से मार्केट गिर जाना
ये टाइमिंग, let me just give me one moment.
7:30।
Yes. And 7:30 just put the timing of -4.
न्यूयॉर्क।
-4. This is the US market opening timing. So this four candle is their opening candle. And
तो क्या इस जोन में कोई प्रॉब्लम भी था या फिर ये
न प्रॉब्लम कुछ नहीं था, प्रॉब्लम नहीं था। ये जो ट्रेड है ये आपका
3:30।
ग्लोबेक्स आवर में बना और जब यूएस मार्केट ओपन हुआ तो ड्यू टू ह्यूज वॉल्यूम ये प्रोफेशनल ने इसे ब्रेक किया और पहला रीजन ये है। तो ये थोड़ा सा इसके बाद का कोई ट्रेड बनता है लूल्हा लंगड़ा। अभी वी विल टॉक अबाउट आफ्टर दिस, लेट्स मूव ऑन 5 मिनट्स और लेट्स मूव ऑन 3 मिनट्स, लेट्स मूव ऑन देखिए ये 3 मिनट का चार्ट है और 1 मिनट का। 2 मिनट भी लोग ले लेते हैं बट नॉर्मली आई डोंट सजेस्ट 2 मिनट्स, 1 मिनट। दिस इज 1 मिनट चार्ट ऑफ। एक चीज आप देखो, आप 1 मिनट के चार्ट पे जब हमारा यूएस मार्केट क्लोज हुआ यहाँ पे
Yes, sir.
तो देखो यहाँ पे भी गैप डाउन है। अब लेट मी फाइंड आउट कपल ऑफ ट्रेड्स। Okay, the first trade is this one is your supply zone, is it? Shreya, Arya,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
is it?
Yes, sir.
क्या रिजल्ट हुआ?
Well,
Okay, second zone, this is the follow of zone of this one. This is the follow of zone of this one. So this is the second trade. So this one didn't work. So अगर एक ही ट्रेड चला तो this is a trade और ये बना हमारा 1042 में बना। यूएस मार्केट आया कब? 1217। इसके बाद मार्केट हमारा ये हमारा सुबह बना मार्केट में। तो ये आपका जो ट्रेड का जो स्टॉप लॉस दिया वो आपके वजह से नहीं दिया, वो ओपनिंग के वक्त मार्केट में जो ह्यूज वॉल्यूम था उसके वजह से दिया।
और सर एक और क्वेश्चन है। AUD NZD में 10 आवर्स पे एक सप्लाई जोन है, क्या वो सही है?
When you are flying to Dubai?
I think sir 26।
आप सेशन के दिन भी फ्लाई कर सकते हैं क्योंकि सेशन इवनिंग में इस बार मैंने किया, थोड़ा टाइमिंग चेंज कर दिया बिकॉज आई एम मोर फोकस्ड ऑन लाइव मार्केट। ओके, AUD NZD
10 आवर।
10 आवर, ओके। AUD NZD 10 hour. Yeah, we will go for it with a strict stop loss of 1.22861.
Okay, sir. And sir, one more, GBP USD में 8 आवर में एक डिमांड जोन था सर, वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था देखने में, मतलब ठीक था लेकिन पिवट बढ़िया नहीं था उसका। तो उसको ट्रेड नहीं किए लेकिन वो टारगेट दिया।
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है,
सर वो सही जोन था, एक बार वैलिडेट।
तुम बच्ची हो ना, तो मैं अच्छा एग्जांपल देता। फॉर एग्जांपल मैं कॉलेज नहीं गया, इफ यू डोंट माइंड, बुरा मत मानना। तुम्हारा नाम श्रेया कुमार है, श्रेया कुमारी नहीं, छोड़ दो। तो मान लो कि मुझे कोई लड़की पसंद आ गई, उसकी शादी हो गई, मैं नहीं कर पाया, तो व्हाई आई नीड टू वरी अबाउट इट। दिस ब्लंट एग्जांपल, सीधा एग्जांपल समझ में आता है। जो ट्रेड हमने छोड़ दिया, फॉरगॉट अबाउट इट। स्टॉप लॉस भी दे सकता था ना 0.5% का।
यस सर। सर स्टॉप लॉस तो बहुत वर्ष है, ब्रेक इवन पे ही अभी तक है।
अब प्रॉफिट में चले जाओगे तो टेंशन मत लो। ब्रेक इवन पे तुम अपने वजह से नहीं हो। आई एम डैम श्योर यू आर पेइंग मोर मनी टू योर ब्रोकर।
मे बी सर।
नो, नॉट मे बी, चेक योर स्टेटमेंट टुडे एंड यू आर पेइंग ए लॉट ऑफ मनी टू योर ब्रोकर। जितने भी लोग कहते हैं फॉरेक्स में मैं स्टॉप लॉस ब्रेक इवन पे हूँ, उनका मैं गारंटी के साथ उनका अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट में चेक कर सकता हूँ, इफ यू विल अलाउ मी, एंड यू आर पेइंग अ लॉट ऑफ।
हम आपको पूरा अकाउंट दिखा सकते हैं, आप देख सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
No, we will meet in person and we will discuss about this topic. ठीक है सर। और ये है, यही प्रॉब्लम है।
ओके
चलो
सर,
अगले एक हफ्ते में
सर जयपुर भी आ रहे हैं।
जयपुर क्यों आ रहे? जब दुबई जा रहे हो कमिंग टू जयपुर?
नहीं, पापा को उधर कुछ काम था तो आ रहे हैं हम लोग। तो
ओके, तो आप लोग कॉम्फो वाला एक सेशन बचा होगा ना आप लोग का?
ये सर वो सपोर्ट टीम से बात करके हो गया।
आप लोग का तो पेमेंट नहीं लगेगा ना जयपुर में?
नहीं, साथ में अंकल भी आ रहे हैं इस बार।
तो आप लोग का पेमेंट जयपुर में नहीं लगेगा। हाँ ठीक है
सर। कोई कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट नहीं है, मतलब डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट नहीं है दुबई के लिए।
कहाँ से? पटना से?
दिल्ली से।
This is the best flight. अभी and 30.309 and Nasdaq 100 is 30.0, अभी 30,026. So over here you will have to pay the spread because these are the CFD chart. This is US 100 CFD and this is US future. So there is a difference between CFD and future.
नहीं सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था, वहां पर ट्रेंड और उस टाइम डॉलर एक्सचेंज देखना पड़ेगा जब उसको ट्रेड करेंगे?
No. For Nasdaq you don't need to see the dollar exchange.
और ट्रेंड सर उस टाइम का?
Trend, if it's a smaller time frame you need to look for trend. If it's bigger time frame you don't need to look for trend. In a smaller time frame trend is mandatory, but in bigger time frame no.
सर $3,000 तो बना लिए हैं पेपर ट्रेड में।
उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है ना। रियल ट्रेड में पैसा बनाए कि पेपर ट्रेड में इमोशंस नहीं होता है, रियल ट्रेड में इमोशन होता है। मैं तो पेपर ट्रेड में अभी $50,000 बना के दे दूं, व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट? You don't have your real emotions attached with the trade, na? So you won't be able to understand the actual future of the trade. Either go with $1 stop loss, but go with real trade. In future market, you have the option to either you can go with a standard lot, micro, mini, nano. So
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
in the Siddhant.
Morning, sir.
Yes, Siddhant. Good morning.
My question is it not advisable to trade in pairs like Ethereum USD?
Yes, you can.
और also what about BTC USD like Bitcoin USD? मैंने देखा है उस पे भी ट्रेड चले, आपको देखा है?
Yes, it works. This is your BTC US, but I don't trade because these all are crypto and DeFi products. So normally I don't trade. If I will talk about 2-hour chart of this one, so this is the chart, and even market has came down from this specific price. This is the supply zone. Market has came down from there here. Even the market has came down from this price point, and if we'll go and check, there will be a kind of supply zone on. Let me share with you. There will be a kind of supply zone over there. So this is a pivot. So it works, but normally I don't trade because this is a high volatile instrument. अगर आपको सूट करता है तो आप कीजिए, मैं नहीं कर पाता हूँ. मेरा थोड़ा सा लाइफस्टाइल उतना, मैं हाई वोलेटाइल इंस्ट्रूमेंट के साथ नहीं जा सकता because this is not regulated. Even in US, if anyone is trading in Bitcoin, this is not regulated. So in forex market, we have jumped not for because we have to do something illegal. We are looking for a regulated product. Here I haven't taught you that trade into CFD, trade into this, go for Dabba account, go for this. Most of the, okay, today I will give you one task, everyone. Go with any trader, they will talk about a broking. Go with this broker account, open account with this broker, you will make money. I don't talk about broker now. Because they are making a lot of money in sub-broker, through sub-broking panel. A lot of people into this class have reached out to me that I need an account, help me out. I say, no, sorry, I can't help you out to open an account. I can guide you. Even today I guided everyone. You need to find out, you need to open an account. So in future, you don't have any point, oh, Ravi bhai to paisa bana rahe hain, मैं trade कर रहा हूँ या loss कर रहा हूँ because he is my sub-broker. Yes, BTC future is listed on CME but are still not regulated. I'm using this quote. You can note it down, but because the exchange is not centralized, listed doesn't mean that it's regulated. Listing doesn't mean that it's regulated. So if you talk about BTC future chart, so if you go about CME chart, it's not tradable at all. For example, if you talk about I always talk about that here it is MBTM, see MBTM. So this is your MBTM. Even this is a chart. This is a chart of 2 hours. 2 hours. I don't trust upon these stocks because it's not regulated at all. Because from Thursday, Friday until this all time, market is working. Do you think professional is active during this hour? No, professional is not active. Only a scammer is active. So I haven't seen anyone. If Bitcoin is the most powerful instrument in the world, then why people is still trading into Nasdaq, S&P, Russell, Dow Jones, gold, silver, crude oil? Everyone should shift into Bitcoin now, because Bitcoin works 24/7. And even if anything happens to your Bitcoin or something, no one have any accountability. और इससे लोग कहेंगे इतना हो गया, बिटकॉइन बहुत बढ़ गया. तो कितने बिलियनियर्स, वो छपरी बिलियनियर्स जैसे होते हैं ना, छपरी बिलियनियर्स जो 10-20-50 करोड़ कमा करते हैं कि आई मेड वेरी गुड मनी आउट ऑफ बिटकॉइन, उसको बोलते हैं छपरी बिलियनियर्स. एक्चुअल बिलियनियर्स दे डोंट ट्रेड इनटू बिटकॉइन. छपरी बिलियनियर समझते हैं ना, जैसे एक छपरी यूट्यूबर भी होते हैं, हे गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, तो छपरी बिलियनियर भी होते हैं. अगर if it is a valid instrument, so crypto coin market cap, just crypto market cap is it's 2.29 trillion, and this is the Bitcoin is 1.13 trillion. Very good. This is crypto coin is 2.29 trillion, correct? And this is and one day volume is 70.7 billion. 70.7 billion. And this is everything: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, Ripple, a lot of Dogecoin. And when we talk about Euro USD daily turnover, so this is USD daily turnover is the total global forex trading reaches up to 9.6 trillion per day. Oh my God! Is there any comparison? Is there any comparison that no? I'm talking about one pair. GBP USD daily turnover. GBP USD daily turnover is let's have a look, and that will also be in trillion. So it's only GBP USD is $730 billion per day. 7.6 to 9.5% of the entire market. So you need to understand, I don't trade. If you like it, if you find a zone, you can go. You know, most of the people think, Siddhant, that if you will trade more, he will make more. But when to trade more? Trade more in the live market, not in the dead market. These are known as Globex trap. You know, I will refer the couple of institutes name to you. They will teach you the basic demand and supply, and they will charge $55,000. $55,000. Even I have inquired about. मैं सुनील जी से मिला, सुनील जी से मिलने का मैंने इंक्वायरी किया. $55,000. कमेंट बॉक्स पढ़ लो आर के शर्मा जी का. अभी श्रेया आर्या ने एक लाइन बोला कि सर आई एम इन ब्रेक इवन. मैं कितना खुश हुआ आपको अंदाजा नहीं है. ब्रेक इवन मीन्स यू आर अ विनर. श्रेया, what will happen after break even? Talk to a lot of people who live in Dubai. They have blown up their account. जब मैं दुबई गया 2013 में, I don't have a lot of money. I met a lot of people and I told them I know how to trade. They told me, how much is your capital? That time my capital was 10,000 or 15,000 or not more than 100,000 US dollar. So okay? Even you won't believe मेरे अपने भैया वो ट्रेडिंग नहीं करते. He hate trading. He still think it's a spam. You are a scammer. ट्रेडिंग कोई काम होता है? ऑफिस नहीं जाते हो, कुछ नहीं करते हो, सिस्टम पे बैठते हो, जब मन करता है विदेश घूमते हो, ये कोई काम होता है? You think I am a scammer? मेरे गांव वाले सब बोलते हैं बैंक चोरी करता है. तुम मेरे गांव गई हो, जाके पूछ लेना. तुम नहीं गई हो तुम. उनको लगता है कि मैं, अब तो खैर नहीं बोलते हैं, पहले बोलते थे कि इतना पैसा आ ही नहीं सकता है. हाउ यू कैन स्पेंड करोड़ एंड करोड़. जहां लोग हजारों नहीं देखते हो, करोड़ तुम कैसे खर्च कर सकते हो? तो मेरे बाबा के साथ में गई थी, आई स्पेंडेड करोड़ एंड करोड़. कहीं हम्म 15 minutes. Oh, let me do it first, then I will ask to you. Are you talking about this one? If it is this one,
Yes.
go ahead.
Yes sir.
Go ahead.
ओके सर. सर एक कंफ्यूजन है. ये जो पैटर्न है स्मॉल टाइम फ्रेम पे 21 कैंडल्स का, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मार्केट का ट्रेंड अप था और डिमांड जोन अच्छा बन गया 1 मिनट और
Okay, what about this one? First we'll talk about what about this one? The trade I marked over here. Drop, boring drop.
सर जोन तो अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन ये एक्टिव आवर जैसे आप बताते हैं उसमें नहीं।
जोन ये सही है, ट्राई कर लीजिएगा। 10 मिनट पे है। लेट मी मूव ऑन 5 मिनट्स एज वेल। 5 मिनट पे कुछ नहीं, 3 मिनट्स। लेट मी मूव ऑन 3 मिनट्स। 3 मिनट, 5 मिनट। लेट मी मूव ऑन 1 मिनट। आजकल जिया वगैरह क्लास नहीं करती है क्या, जिया खान? तो ये हाँ, ट्रेंड अगर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, बड़े टाइम फ्रेम को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट स्मॉलर टाइम फ्रेम को फर्क पड़ता है।
तो सर अगर 1 मिनट का जोन हो और वो कुछ 1 आवर के बाद आ रहा हो वापस नीचे डिमांड जोन पे, तो सर ट्रेंड तो रिवर्सल हो गया।
Little bit, no, it will be into sideways trend, not into downtrending mode. In next class, definitely I'm not going to do it on Friday because Friday suitable नहीं है। कल मैं सिटी में नहीं हूँ। Tomorrow I'm going to देहरादून, and in next class we will when we will do the live trading for one day na, we will understand this topic.
Okay sir, okay, thank you, that's all sir, thank you.
So that's why I told you that prepare your runway, refuel your car, and we'll do Safan after 1 minute. First I will go with Bhuvnesh, then Faisal, and then I'll come to you. Yes, Bhuvnesh.
Sir, I want to validate 2 zones. One is Euro USD.
How are you and how the things is going?
I am good, sir. I'm good. Things are going good. I am still doing paper trade, though I have a live account. But I just want to
go with live trade. Even with $1 stop loss, go with live trade.
Okay. Okay. Sir, Euro USD 12 hours.
Euro USD 12 hours. 12 hours, okay.
It's actually at that zone for quite some time. There were zones where above that also, and there's a zone below also. This is the zone where it is.
Let me check it. Just give me only 1 minute. In daily chart, this one is much better because in this one leg out is below than legging. So if you have to mark, we will mark something like this because it's a bigger time frame, and the total pips value will be the total pips value from the entry and stop loss will be your 40. Oh, it's too much. It's too much. If you want a standard lot, you have to take a stop loss of $400 in one standard lot. So 400, but this will work. I still be biased about this trade, and this will work.
And one more zone is there, sir, on GC 12 hours.
But one more thing, if anyone is going for a paper trade, stop it. Go with real trade because you won't be able to take the psychological benefit after your class will be finished, and you will be feeling that I'm cheated. So go with live trade. So at least in live trade, if you face real problem with a small loss, I can help you out. 12 hour in GC, I don't see. No, I don't see any. This is a good one.
Okay.
But let me find out something in GC. Okay. Everyone, I would like to ask a question. A lot of people used to tell us still a Strait of Hormuz is not open. If you don't know, a Strait of Hormuz is not yet open. So fuel prices should go up, correct? So even see, this is the panic market. GC coal future, this is the panic market daily chart, and the highest price of the market was 5636, and people who think now the war has been started and the price will go up, just talk to them that what happened right now. This is the first example. The second example about crude oil, this is the crude oil future. This is the crude oil future. Although crude oil has came down from here only, crude oil has came down from something was over here on some time frame, because okay, this is the chart of crude oil. Even anyone is thinking that crude oil price moves, so still the war is, इंडिया में तेल का दाम अभी महंगा है. गवर्नमेंट इज चीटिंग अस, बिकॉज जब तेल का दाम रहा तो फ्यूल का प्राइस बढ़ा, अभी फ्यूल का प्राइस बढ़ा हुआ है. सो यू डोंट सी दैट फ्यूल प्राइस इज बिटवीन 70 टू, कुछ लोगों को लगा तेल तो बहुत महंगा हो जाएगा. इट हैपन्स ओनली ड्यू टू देयर इज अ डिमांड एंड सप्लाई जोन. Supply zone is area where professionals are sitting, because first this one is a pivot. Supply zone is area where professionals are sitting with their predefined order and predefined quantity, and price has came down from that specific price. So I stop telling a story. So जो लोग हमारे कुछ बच्चे आए थे, बोले सर जी हमारे 5 वर्षों की तपस्या का फायदा मिल गया. उन्हें क्या फायदा मिला? तो आई मेड वेरी गुड मनी. मैंने इन्वेस्टेड, तो आई मेड वेरी गुड मनी इन क्रूड ऑयल एंड सिल्वर, दोनों ऊपर चला गया. वेरी गुड. स्टॉप लॉस, सर ऐसे मार्केट में स्टॉप लॉस लगाने की क्या जरूरत है, हमें पता था बाजार ऊपर जाएगा. वेरी गुड. सो दे मेड 50 lakhs rupees. आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. So easy money is a scam. Easy success is a scam. Again they put again after booking profit, when market retraced few percent, they again put the same amount of trade. Now they are in loss of 60 lakhs rupees. Again they told me, I told where is your stop loss? Stop loss की क्या जरूरत है, समय लगता है ऊपर आएगा. आपके लगने से बाजार नहीं चलता. गिव मी 10 सेकेंड, मैं घर में अकेला हूं तो कोई ना कोई आता रहता.
नहीं आता कि किस में लिक्विडिटी ज्यादा और जोन किस में बनेंगे. लाइक अगर परसेंटेज भी देखते हैं तो भी समझ नहीं आता, वो किसी ऑपोजिट में जोन बन रहा होता है. तो बड़ी कंफ्यूजन रहती है कि किसको फोकस करें.
आप अभी ड्यूरिंग एक्टिव आवर्स, लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन विद यू. This is the task for today. During active hour, just follow this one. If this list is too big for you, remove silver, remove natural gas, delete silver and delete natural gas from here. Delete, and this is your CFD chart. And DXY is not a tradable zone. So these 1, 2, 3 into currency, 1, 2, 3, 4 into index, and 1 gold, 1 crude. That's all.
एक और क्वेश्चन मैंने.
Okay. So you make your watch list limited. So during even into Indian market, if someone is trading during active hours, for example, right now Indian market is open. I will give you an example. This is my chart of Nifty. This is my chart of Nifty. This is Nifty. This is Indian index. And let's take about 1 minute chart. A lot of people say, will it work? Yes, it will work. So this is your 1 minute chart of Indian market. 1 minute, 3 minute, 45 seconds, 30 seconds. Brilliant, good. So we will go with Reliance. Even yesterday in Reliance there was, okay. This is the Reliance Industry Limited. And this is 1 minute chart of Reliance Industry Limited. 1 minute chart of Reliance Industry Limited. And this is your 3 minute. So okay, right now in the live market I am going to trade this because my stop loss is only 2 rupees, so I am going to trade this. Now you have question, do you have any track record? Yes, I do have. Let me share my old chart with you, and even in old chart couple of zone was formed. Okay, even in the old chart there was a zone. I had taken this trade. On the demand zone. I had taken this trade, and this trade came into the area and it touched. So I had booked the profit into this trade on 17th. So even in the current market, so this is the first trade. Second trade I had taken over here. There was one more trade where it is. There was supply zone. 1 minute, let me show you. This was the demand zone. There was one more supply zone. I had taken the trade where it is. Okay. There was one trade over here. This one was a trade, and I got right now, if market is there, so we would love to trade into this area. That part, either we will book a small loss, either we will book target. This is the live market. So in live market I don't care. I am supercharged and super excited due to knowledge, not due to emotions.
Exactly. So, one more question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
सर जापानीज फ्यूचर में मैंने एक सप्लाई जोन देखा है, अपना चेक उसको डेट करवाना चाहता
हूं. So, which one?
6J future.
Okay, 6J. Okay. 1 minute, 6J.
15 minutes.
Okay, I'm coming.
So there is a follow-up soon in active hour. Exactly this one.
Are you talking about this one?
Exactly, sir. This one.
This one, which one I marked right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There is only one small problem. The problem is legging is smaller than boring.
Exactly, sir.
Rather than that everything is great.
सर नॉर्मली इसमें जो जोन फॉर्म होती है सर, उसमें लैगिंग तो है, वो तो सॉरी वीओसी जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट लैगिंग के नजदीक होती है. हाउ वी विल डिफरेंशिएट दैट इट विल वर्क और नॉट?
Just wait for 2 days. We will conduct one live session, and because right now if you go and find the zone, even my mind will not work actively as it will work in the live market. So we will complete that exercise. Don't worry.
Sir, one little confusion that sir, same AC chart में सर ये जो जापानीज ये इनका 6J है, ये ओनली जापानीज इंडेक्स है या ये USD के साथ?
No. This is your USD JPY.
This is my USD JPY.
Okay. Right now price is 0.006290.
Exactly, sir.
So USD JPY is this is your chart of for example, this is your 15-minute chart. Let me show you. This is a 15-minute chart.
Exactly, sir. There is demand zone in 6J. There is supply zone. This is the confusion.
No. So don't worry about it, because if you talk about JPY USD, so chart will be same, na?
Yes, sir.
In JPY USD chart will be same, na? So don't get confused. Even as I have told you, for me it doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
This is demand or this is supply zone. For me it doesn't matter. Control plus I.
Okay, sir.
Or option plus I or alt plus I. Just press it. So don't get confused into this one.
Okay, sir. सर क्या इसमें कोई मैकेनिज्म है सर, जिस तरह ये हम अभी हमने इस पे देखा, ये CFD पे देखा और वो जो फ्यूचर पे देखा, इनकी ये जो CFD का जोन है, ये कौन सी प्लेस से ऑर्डर प्लेस होगा ये, क्योंकि उस पे और मैंने उसकी चार्ट प्राइस डिफरेंस देखा, वो लिटिल डिफरेंस है बोरिंग की वीक के और उससे.
Because in the CFD is a follow-up chart of future.
Exactly, sir.
Because CFD doesn't have a centralized exchange.
Exactly, sir.
Even CFD, I used one quote that if you'll find out that Wanda chart is different. In forex.com, somewhere the zone is being formed on forex, not on Wanda, not on paper stone. So in CFD, it's not a centralized product. Future is a centralized product.
Agreed, sir.
So this is one more challenges in CFD and future.
So, sir, it's mean totally we have to shift on future chart.
Future is more authentic, and from Pakistan it's legal to trade in future.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, I know. From Pakistan it's legal. You can trade it legally from Pakistan.
Oh, thank you so much. Yes.
From Pakistan, from Bangladesh, from Safan.
सर एक कंफ्यूजन रह गई थी, जैसे कि आपने जो फ्यूचर में लास्ट टाइम मैंने एक लेक्चर में मैंने सुना था कि जो CME ग्रुप जो .com है उस पे आपने चेक करके बताया था जो मेंटेनेंस लगता है और वो लगता है, वो लॉन्ग ट्रेड में लगता है या फिर डेली ट्रेड में भी लगता है, वो कैलकुलेट होता है उसके हिसाब से?
ये करेंसी पे लगता है, जहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट रेट होता है ना वहाँ पे लगता है, मेंटेनेंस नहीं होता। वो कहने को मेंटेनेंस होता है, दैट इज इंटरेस्ट रेट। जब इंटरेस्ट रेट के साथ ट्रेड करते हैं तब ये होता है प्रॉब्लम। अभी जापान
मतलब फ्यूचर के अंदर अगर जैसे कि एग्जांपल के गोल्ड लेते तो वहां पे गोल्ड का जो मेंटेनेंस और वो पूरा सब कैलकुलेट आपने लास्ट टाइम बताया था, तो वो छोटे टाइम फ्रेम पे भी कैलकुलेट होता है या फिर बड़े टाइम फ्रेम पे करो तो होता है, ऐसा कुछ होता है?
CFD में होता है, फ्यूचर में नहीं होता है।
CFD में होता है, फ्यूचर में मतलब CME में नहीं होता?
नहीं होता।
ओके, खाली यही कंफ्यूजन था, इसके लिए मैंने हैंड रेस किया अगेन।
So thank you very much. Thanks for attending. I hope all question is solved. अच्छा अंकुश बोलिए। छोटे क्लास का फायदा है कि 100% क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाता है। यस अंकुश।
सर वो आपने MXN JPY बताया, वो ऐसा है क्या सर, वो लो इंटरेस्ट कंट्री से उठा के हाई इंटरेस्ट कंट्री में शिफ्ट कर रहा है?
मैंने सेशन पहले क्लास में किया था आपका MXN JPY का, एक बार और कर दूंगा। JPY used to be 0.75%, JPY 1% पे आ गया है, तो हम 0.75 से पैसा उठा के हम 6.50 पे दे दिए, तो बीच का इंटरेस्ट भी हम खाते हैं और ये बड़ा इंटरेस्ट होता है लेवरेज के साथ। I hope no question is left. Thank you very much.